Paul here, Paul Phillips Fix. I got an issue with my 01 Mercedes E320. That's the M112 engine on the W210 platform. I'm getting excessive cranking. They're known to have either the crank or cam sensor go bad, so it's got 92,000 about on it. So I figured, for the hell of it, with the cheap price, around 20-something bucks, I would throw a cam and a crank sensor in and see if that solved the issue. It has not. So I'm still getting an excessive crank on here. So I'm going to do a fuel pressure test. I believe it's a 4.5 millimeter fitting. I got the fuel pressure set, and I believe it's a 4.5 millimeter that I put on there. Put that right on your Schrader valve on the fuel line. Now, I've been getting bad camera shots where I'm not getting to work in there, so I'm going to use a tripod today. See if I do a little better with that. That way you guys can see what's going on. Now, one thing I wasn't too crazy about, when I hooked this fuel line up on here, this pressure gauge, I got dead zero. I think that should have held some pressure. I could have leaky injectors. I don't know. We're going to find out if we've got a proper fuel pressure. From what I've read, it's supposed to be 35 to 40 pounds on this. I believe an AMG is higher fuel pressure, like the E55. But I'm going to start it and see what fuel pressure we get. First, I'm going to turn the key on and see what it goes up to. I'm going to cycle it through. Maybe a couple of times. See what we come to with the initial. Only 10 pounds on the initial key turn. Still 10 pounds. I do have a fire extinguisher on hand here. Good idea to do if you're working with fuel pressure testing, because when you disconnect that, you may have some leakage. You could remove the fuse for the fuel pump and depressurize your fuel rail before you disconnect it if you'd like to. I'm only getting 10 pounds. That's not good. Now, that didn't crank too bad that time. I'm getting 50 pounds on here. That's a nice reading, 50 pounds, but why am I so low when I'm starting it? I'm going to hit different RPM ranges. Holds fairly steady. We shut it down and see if we drop a lot of fuel pressure. Maybe I got a leaky injector. That dropped all the way down quick. That's not good. That's not supposed to drop down to zero like that. I might have injectors leaking like a sieve. Okay. We know something's going on in there. I ordered remanufactured injectors. I'm going to do a video when I throw them in. So that's my next step on this. It doesn't look like it's my fuel pump, because it's going up to 50 psi, and I've got that pressure drop like that. That shouldn't be happening. So it may be a leaky injector issue. Okay, guys, I wish I could give you more information. What you should do is you should hold between 35 and 40 pounds. You shouldn't fluctuate below 30 pounds. That could be a fuel pressure regulator issue. And you're not supposed to drop down to zero when you turn the key off. So I guess I'm pretty done with what I can do today on here. Sorry I couldn't bring you more information, but That's a fuel pressure test on a Mercedes E320. It would be the same on the E430, etc. Pretty much same thing, with the only exception I think the AMG might have a higher fuel pressure. Okay, guys. Hi, guys. Sorry, my phone, my camera glitched out, my GoPro. I got zero reading as soon as I shut the key off. I think I have leaky injector or injectors on there. I've ordered some injectors. I'm going to change them all out. It's got over 92,000 miles on it. So we're going to see if that resolved the issue. When I do that, I will make a video of it. I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope I bring some useful information to you. And please give a like and subscribe. Help my channel grow. It's our channel, you know. Feel free to comment, and I hope to hear from you guys. Take care now. Bye-bye.